Sino naman makakalimot ng Trump? Trump, meron tayong currently holding 3,884. Around 4.51%. Actually, binili ko yung Trump, medyo malaki dito, no? Pero medyo bumaba si Trump. And yes, meme coin to, pero may transaction and speculative bet based on hype, sentiment, and election season. Unang-una, ginawa ito para kay US President Donald Trump using Trump's name, branding, and political relevance to attract attention. Yes, this is a meme coin. Maliit lang na percentage nilagay ko dito kasi it's very high risk, high reward coin. So, kilala nyo naman siguro ang President of America, which is the most powerful country. And si Trump din yung mismong nag-declare na gusto niyang gawin na crypto capital ang Amerika. Pero that's another topic for another video. Meron po tayo ditong SUI, around 4.15%. I don't know why, pero I'm very bullish talaga sa project na to. And malaki yung potential, as in malaki talaga yung growth ni SUI. Fast and secure, move-based blockchain, new project pero very promising. XRP. I know a lot of you still holding XRP. Since nag-risk talaga ako habang ongoing yung ECE case. Targeted for cross-border payments. Alam nyo na siguro yung issue ng ECE sa XRP